Okay, so I'm back here, and I probably should have waited because my camera is not charged, and I don't know how long I have to do that, but we'll put these legs in a better place here. One of this one, come here. Can't pick it up. That's better. Even if this only can go for a few minutes, if I get turned off, I'm sorry, but I wanted to finish this, at least putting it together, to show you that you can do this without having to have some fancy tools to cut it out with, okay? This leg is a bit skew-if, but you know, it's okay. One of mine's bigger than the other two. Ah dear, never mind. Poor me. Don't be silly now, Sonya. You've been silly. I know I've been away for a long time. Should be. I'd really like being on here, and it'd be nice if you don't turn it off, because I'm being stupid. Okay, so that's the part that goes on here, and it'll just put a braid on that bit. I can't believe this is nearly flat, this camera, but I haven't used it for a while, so I probably should have charged it, and I will be doing that as soon as I get off here, so I can come back on tomorrow. I hope I will be. I don't think I've got to go anywhere. My hubby's got to go and get his tooth out, so he won't be happy, but then it'd be best if it's gone, won't it? Sometimes it's not a nice thing to have happen, but you get your teeth out. I don't have many left myself, but never mind. It's all good. Oh, come here. Hey, come on, really? I hope this thing's going to beep or something, isn't it, before it tells me that it's not going to record anymore. Before I used to... How's she looking? Not bad. Maybe if I leave her sitting like that. I'm going to just cut down around there, you know. You can do that. It's your baby doll, and you can please yourself what you do with it. And if you can't, I mean, you probably put these together at school, and that was fun. They don't teach them anything at school now. I meant craft things. There's no sewing in the school here these days. None whatsoever. It's ridiculous. My girls never really wanted to anyway. I suppose they sort of do, but when they finish doing what they're doing in their lives and got time to do something, they might try it. Okay, so I'm going to put white ones on here, save me fishing through that thing and upsetting everybody while I'm doing it. Oh, come on. I'll straighten her legs out and fix her up nicely for you, okay, so she doesn't look so silly. I'm going to have to write up on this thing, Crafting with Sonya. I do like to write that, because that way maybe you can find me, I don't know. A lot of people say they've been watching some of my old videos, and that is really good. It's nice to know that people are still... I don't know what she's going to look like. That looks a bit weird, that bit, doesn't it? Never mind. Poor lady. At least she's got arms and legs and things. Now we've fixed her. I don't think it looks too bad, actually. I'm quite pleased with her. I'd like to do her out a bit more cardboard and that. I don't know what I've done in that one. Maybe I just need to move it over. I want to put some cardboard behind her. That leg's skew with. And I'll just take a bit off it. But then she'll have hardly any leg. Will she? What do we do with it? Maybe we'll just put pants over top or a skirt. I don't know. Just leave her like she is. If she wants to stand like that, that's fine. Now, we need a head. And these heads are way too big, aren't they? That was being silly, wasn't it, me? So I should have a head in here somewhere. Not much of a neck. I don't have much of a neck either, so it doesn't matter. She hasn't got much of a neck. I'm going to actually cut that so her neck can be stuck down. Cut her hair up there a bit. That looks ridiculous, but we can put new hair on it sometime down the track, can't we? There she is. Oh, doesn't she look at me? It's funny. It's good. It's fun. Oh, I love crafting when it's fun. I absolutely hate it when I'm stressed. It's no fun at all if it stresses me out. I imagine the same goes for a lot of other people. Look at that. See, you can make your own dolly. If you don't have these bits, you can still... Mine, I do like this one bit. It's got more personality, hasn't it? It's got a hole in a hip and, you know, but what are you going to do? And then, so you can get something like this that I have cut out from one of the magazines. And I could even cover her over if I wanted to give her some clothes. See? You can. And, I don't know if I've got any others there. I did have some that I was doing a clothesline with. Don't know what I did with them. But anyway, we will come back. I would like to do a bit more. I suppose I could keep on yarning until that thing goes off, and then is it gone, and I'll say ta-da now. Okay, and thank you so much everybody for watching what I'm doing. But I'm not going yet. I'm going to stay here with you a little while longer and have a mouthful of water and find something else to do. But I think I can find lots of things to do. There's no worries about that. I'm going to have no trouble finding things to do. So that's going to be, these are going to be some of the things I'm going to put in my book anyway. So we're just going to work out on what, you know, how I'm going to go about putting them in there. I've got a little bit of time here. This here little one could probably be a tag, couldn't she? Or tuck spot. Tuck spot might be good. This is going to have a cover, another cover over it, because I didn't want to work with it while it was... Now, she's going to be a bit big for this one, so I'm still going to, I think I still want to use this book though. I think I do. Yep. Maybe I could just take a little bit off the little legs down here. What do you reckon? And use it for a tuck spot. But I want to put something behind her, because when you go to push something behind it, you don't want it to be all, her to all buckle up, you know, so she needs to be actually sitting on a piece of cardstock of some sort. Okay, that's not long enough. I have some, what colour would I like, I wonder? I don't know. Not white, no. I'll get something that's... Actually, that's paper, I think. Am I still recording? Yes. Oh dear. Wait a minute. I need a piece of... when you're doing crafting with me, you're going to have to work out what you want to put behind things, don't you? Oh, this paper. Can't use that. It's too flimsy. This is really pink. Looks nice though, doesn't it? Looks really good. This will be the first time that I've used my cutting, my guillotine in here. First time I've used my guillotine in here. This is. Now I'm going to take some off a little legs. Is that wrong to do that? Will that make it look funny? Or do I have to? It's nearly fitting in there. Wait a minute, we try another page. Some pages are longer than others, Sonia. Okay. It is going to fit. It is going to fit, and I'll put a piece of lace on the back of it. Okay, on the page behind it. I will. So I'm just going to cut. That looks really good. Really bright and beautiful, doesn't it? Beautiful. Now, I need it to go past the hat. So it needs to go out that far. Over there. Needs to go past the hat. I do this sometimes and I think to myself it doesn't go straight, and it's really weird. Put that back where it was, so it'll be easy to manoeuvre if you do that. Righto. Now I've got to cut the end off, don't I? Okay, she's going to go on here. But I'm not putting her on just yet because she's got to have a few little touches first before she goes on here. Because she's got to make sure she's all pretty. If I'm still in this shot here, I'm just trying to cut this out. So it's going to be exactly on that, and that's it. Okay. Now, one tad. Right. Over. Okay. Now, when you're cutting out things like paper, and you've got anything that is a bit white on the edge, you have to be careful. You don't want that showing. Okay, I don't know whether I did this one or not, but you can get a piece of like a marker or something. The poor little girl's got no hands, but we can figure that out later. It doesn't really matter. They're inside a jumper. You know how kids get cold and they put their hands up their jumpers. That's what she's doing. But see, this has been put together by using a few different things. There's a shirt, a pair of pants. There's a hat, and that will all come from different pieces of stuff that I had. Now I shouldn't probably be doing this because now I'm going to have to wipe it, and I don't know if I've got any wipes handy because yes I do. I've got them here somewhere because I had them fixing up my light. Okay. Ouch! Now that's not good. Okay, now I hope you'll have a go at this because it is absolutely tremendous fun. I don't mind, where we go, here it is, I like for mine to be individual. Don't like to put the same things in my, how does that work, what am I saying? They have to be unique. My things are unique. I do not make anything with other people's, I don't know, it doesn't matter, but I don't. I suppose most of us do make our own unique bits and pieces. I don't know whether I'm an artist or not. You just don't know, do you? If you are, you can't tell. I can't tell whether I am. I think I could be a bit of one. Not so great, but a bit of an artist. Suppose. Just because I don't use a lot of paint doesn't mean I can't be creative. Well, see, I coloured this in here with a piece of one of my pens, a Sharpie, I think. I coloured that in with a Sharpie. Now that is going to be a really nice pocket tuck spot thingy in here. But I probably still need to do a bit more to it, so I'm not going to put it in just as yet, okay? I don't know what I want along the edge, whether I want to put I think I might put one of those notches in it, and that way it'll make it so you know that it's got a notch, because it's going that side, so the notch is going to go here, and I want it to eyeball it to so it's somewhere in the centre, be good. There we go. And then I can put something behind it, even if it's just a packet with a clothes in or something behind there. Okay, now, or some lace or something, but that's going to be, we'll put it in here, we'll make a decision on this, because we're here forever if we're mucking about with it and not getting it done, eh? So I'm going to use this glue here to put it in the book. In my journal. Come on, glue pot, get a move on. I've got 2 new ones, but they're only little. And it's very disappointing that they only had these ones there. Really disappointing it is. Because I do use a lot of this glue. Righty-o, now we're going to put that by holding this up because I don't want to stick to another page underneath it. Okay. Knew someone pop out somewhere. Where's this thing? That wasn't good. It's okay, I can colour it later if it's not going to work. We'll do something with it. What was I going to do? Oh, I was going to have a look at this. Look at that. This is new, hasn't even been opened. Look what I'm missing, the first part of the glue. Well, that's not good. Anyway, we can't be too... So that's going to be the first bit in here. It'll be the tuck spot for whatever people want to put in that. And I have some other really amazing and exciting things to put in here, I think. So this lady, this one here is going to go in here somewhere too. We're going to put it in a pocket maybe, so you can, I don't know whether I will or not, just leave it, just do it by its leg, by its head. So you can sit here with the legs up that way or something. It'll be good. It'll be good. Okay, so let me see what else have I got that I want to work on today. I did want to finish this one here, didn't I? I just don't know what to do with it now. She's really cool. Maybe I should have did a bottom a bit smaller. I do have a violin here, I think. I think there's a... I don't know if it's a guitar or a bass. It might be a guitar picture, but I do have a smaller thing. I might cut that one out there. I really need to cover this lady here over. And I've got this one here to work with. So these are the paper dolls that you get out of the... you can print these off or you can get them out of books. And I think I printed this one off because I don't think it's out of a book. And I do love to use these ones. And I'm going to put this... I'll put a hat on her. And then I'll put her little clothes in something... But you won't be able to take them off her. So I don't think that's a good idea. They'll probably get lost. So I'm going to put that one on her. And she can be a tuck spot. And we can have a little... You know what I'm going to do? I know I'm going to do something here in a minute. Any minute now. I need to cut along here so I can put a hat. Put a hat on. And I'm going to have something like a book. Like a book, or it will be a book if I can find one. That's a silly thing to say. Of course you could find one. There's a room full of books here, Sonya. Yeah, but I just want one I can cut through. I don't want one I can't cut through. I threw me out. I did. I got really, what's the name? It threw them all away. If I pick it up in my hand and cut myself, I'm not going to be very happy with me, am I? I can do it on my mat. I can do it on my mat. I'm sorry about this, I'm over here. I'm doing it on my mat. Okay, so we've got no battery left. Okay, so here's the hat for the lady. And I'll talk to you later because this is about to turn off any minute now. So everybody have a good day. Have a bit of a go at this dolly art thingy. You know, paper dolly art, whatever we're doing. And see what you think. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching. Bye-bye.